City of Gold, first-person narrative. Long ago in Western Africa, bands of traders traveled to the city of Timbuktu to buy goods in exchange for gold. The following account is given by a boy describing his first trip to the famous city. He is with a group of friends in the year 1450.
My father has been carrying gold from our land to sell in Timbuktu since he was young. His father was a gold trader before him, and now I've joined him and my brothers. We joined other travelers with their goods and camels in a caravan. We brought gold to Timbuktu to sell, and now I've come home. I'll tell you about that city of gold because soon you'll be old enough to go there with your fathers too. I'm famished. I haven't eaten since morning. Let's enjoy this small repast together while I talk. I'll start at the end. What a gainful expedition! You saw the great load of goods we brought home, immense packages of salt, some expressly for our own use, but most for trade here and to the south. We brought back cola nuts to chew on, some palm oil for cooking, and fine cloth for clothing. We profited more than usual because the buyers of gold wanted more than was available. One man even offered to lend my father gold at interest so we could trade more before having to leave. Father refused, saying, "Lend your money and lose a friend." Before the journey, I had imagined that we would take our bags to Timbuktu and trade a handful here and there. What an inept trader I would become if not for the wisdom of my father. My father is an ingenious man who knows his way around the world. Before we even entered the city, we stopped to rest by the river. We washed and set up a cooking fire. My father left and returned with a wealthy merchant and his men. They brought us much salt in exchange for our gold. My father and this merchant, who's a big man in Tagaza up north, chewed cola nuts and spoke like old friends. Then the merchant dispatched his men, ordering them back to their camp. Their compliance was instantaneous, and I watched them recede into the distance, carrying gold this time instead of salt. Irked by my idling, my father told me to stop gawking like an oaf and start packing the salt. We ate a quick meal and doused the fires. At last, I entered the city of Timbuktu. There are people in Timbuktu of every shape, size, and color, and they come from everywhere, wearing all sorts of apparel and speaking many languages. Many speak Arabic, and many speak Mande like us. There are thousands of people in that city. It's a busy place, but exciting, with massive mosques and palaces and markets. We exchanged the rest of our gold in the marketplaces. Because there was so much happening, our time in the city went quickly. Now that I am home, I confess that I had some misgivings before I went. I feared thieves would attack our caravan. I wondered if the city might be raided or besieged while we were there. But everything went smoothly on my first visit. What a place, that busy city. I can hardly wait till we return.